Next equation that we're going to be doing is compressor output. This is essentially figuring out the standard cubic feet a minute that a compressor puts out. So first, we're going to find our PSIG after charging. And we're going to take that number and we're going to subtract it from our PSIG before charging. All right. Once we get that, that's going to give us our PSIG charged that we did charge. And that number is going to be divided by 14.7 to give us our value of atmospheres. This is ATM, not ATA. Keep that in mind. Then we're going to take our ATM multiplied by the number of tanks multiplied by the floodable volume of each tank. And that's going to give us our standard cubic feet. And then once we get that, we're going to go ahead and take our standard cubic feet that we did charge. So standard cubic feet which would be the same as this number over here. And then we're going to divide that by the time in minutes that it took us to charge that. And that's going to give us our final answer in standard cubic feet output. All right, so let's throw in some actual numbers with this and see how they work out. All right, let's say that we took a aluminum 80 and we jammed it from 0 PSIG to 2000 PSIG. So after charging, our PSIG would be 2000 minus what it was before is 0. And that's going to be equal to, obviously, just 2000. We're going to take that number, we're going to divide it by 14.7. So 2000 divided by 14.7 is equal to 36.05 ATM. All right, now we have that number. We want to take our ATM and we're going to multiply it. So 136.07 multiplied by the number of tanks. We'll just say that we're doing 1. Multiplied by the floodable volume. Now the floodable volume is also in the formula book. I looked it up prior to this. For an aluminum 80, it's 0.399. And then once we multiply those together, we'll get our answer of standard cubic feet. So 136.05 times 1 times 0.399 is equal to 54.28 standard cubic feet. However, we're going to go ahead and round that down to the next whole number. So our answer is going to be 54 standard cubic feet. Now that's how much we charged. So we still need to take that and divide it by the amount of time it took us to charge that. So let's say it took us 9 minutes to charge that. So we'll take this number here and we will divide it by 9 minutes. So 54 divided by 9 equals 6. Works out very nicely. So this is going to be 6 standard cubic feet cubic feet a minute output.